Hey guys, it's Austin. I'm here at the 41 mile marker in Staley Cove at my newest listing, and I cannot wait to show you guys this one. This property offers 3 beds, 2.5 baths, unbelievable outdoor entertainment space. You've got cove protection as well as views all the way out to the main channel. Let's go check it out. Property here is a full package. The home comes turnkey, even both boats stay here in the dock. You do not want to miss your chance at this one. Give the Krantz & Associates office a call, 573-302-2355 to schedule your private tour.